Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Capricorn. And Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn, so it's not its ideal placement, but it makes somebody who is really interested in having a good status, wanting power, and wanting to be liked by people. They often listen to motivational speakers to teach them how to be successful. They really want to be successful. They don't tend to be very spiritual. If it's a woman, they tend to attract partners that can be really hardworking, have an addictive kind of personality, such as alcoholic, workaholic, or even just money hungry. And that tends to be the kind of partner that somebody would attract. It could be a woman or a man, depending on the person's preference and partnership. And that's my analysis of Jupiter in Capricorn.